Hello guys, and you are here because this is part 2 of the silo structuring for the affiliate marketing crash course. And we're going to jump right into it, okay? If you are following along in the affiliate marketing crash course, you are on step 4 for silo structuring your website content. Okay, and this is really easy. I wanted to make a video specifically for this part because the way I worded it I think is a little bit confusing. So step 4 of silo structuring the website, and I'm going to backtrack just a little bit just for this particular part, so it won't be directly following up from the last video, but it'll be the same exact idea. I'm just going to kind of redo this part in a sense just to make it a little easier for you to follow along. Okay, so let's see here. First and foremost, I have a website that I just recently purchased called zombiefans.com. Or not a website, a domain, excuse me. I don't know why I always get those flipped. But it's a domain, okay, zombiefans.com, and I'm super excited about it because it has so much potential. I actually picked it up from GoDaddy Auctions for $12, and that was one of the best domain purchases I've ever made. I've purchased domains for a lot more, and they have not nearly as much potential. So this one's going to be good. And I'm going to show you real quick. I actually Google searched The Walking Dead, and this was like one of the top pages that came up. I think this might be their like main page. So I basically just copied the website, and I'm going to put it directly into SEMrush. Okay, and it's going to pop up some of their main keywords. All right. And what I'm going to do with these keywords, just like in the last video that I created, we're going to take those keywords and we are going to basically put them directly into a program like either iWriter, or if you have a virtual assistant, you're going to have them write a page basically about that keyword. And when I say a page, I mean anywhere from like 500 to 1,000 words, okay? So, kind of what I figured, these keywords are basically about The Walking Dead. I'm going to backtrack again. I'm just going to type in zombies, just because the domain that I picked up isn't about The Walking Dead. It's about zombie fans. So, let's see what we got here. I think that's like I'm banned, so we won't do that one. Okay, this one might work. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to repaste it back into SEMrush. The goal here is to find keywords that, what did Rachel say? Yeah. Oh, and Rachel S. Lee, by the way, is one of the best affiliate marketers that I know. So if you saw her little thing right there, she actually has a top 7 affiliate marketing offers cheat sheet, and I'll actually link that in at the very end of this, just because I actually think that's a really good tool for you guys to have. It's helped me quite a bit as well. So now let's get back to this. So I typed in that link for basically, which is, let's see here. Yeah, so for a second I thought this was like the dance of Michael Jackson, and maybe it is. I don't know. No, maybe not. So yeah, this is just like a zombie page. Okay, good. That's what we want. So we're going to see some keywords here. Zombies, TV shows, zombie channel, zombies. These are going to be some pretty decent keywords. And if you want more, just simply click full report in SEMrush, and it's going to pull up a full list of keywords that this website's ranking for. And we're looking for these particularly because this website is one of the top websites, and it gives you a good indication of what people are searching for. It actually gives you the best indication of what people are searching for. So that's why we want to ethically steal these keywords, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. We're basically searching for these other websites, and that's the goal of SEMrush is you get to see what people are searching for and what's coming up. This website is at the top of Google search results for a reason. It's because people are searching for stuff like this. And these are actually kind of funny. So we'll continue with this example, but I would definitely go through and search a couple more websites because Zombies Disney and some of these I wouldn't use. Zombie Party Movie, not what I'm thinking. But then again, like maybe there's a niche for these things. Like there are some people searching for it. Like there's 70 people searching for that a month. For me, that's a little low. Zombies, that keyword, 201,000 people are searching for it. The chances of you ranking for that, not great. I mean, you will have to put in some serious work to rank for a keyword like that specific, but it's doable. You just have to kind of follow along with what we're doing and put in some time and effort. And as long as you're continually putting out content, you can get it done. So let's just use a couple of these, for example. We'll just kind of come back to these. So let's just use these top 5 here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to, this is my WordPress site, zombiefans.com. I'm going to show you now directly how to set up your silo structure. So what we're going to do is you're going to go to, on the left side of the screen, you will see pages. And we're going to add 5 new pages, okay? 5 pages are just going to be the top 5 keywords that we're using. You can definitely use more than that, okay? And just a quick thought for this as well. You don't have to put these keywords into your pages. You can put them as posts as long as they're all linked together. So now remember, when I say we are using these keywords per pages, remember, going back to the last video, these keywords will be sent to your writing program. Like if you're using iWriter to have somebody freelance write about zombies, or write about zombie Disney, or write about zombie TV shows, zombie shows, any of these keywords, we're going to take those articles and we're going to plug it directly into what we're doing now. So that's kind of the thing that I'm talking about here, okay? That's it. That's all we're doing. So I hope that makes sense, and if it doesn't, just let me know, but highly recommend using iWriter, iWriter.com, okay? iWriter.com. They make pretty good articles about any keyword you want, and it's as simple as typing in your keyword and picking the price of the article. There's some different options for you, and that's it. Okay, I personally use virtual assistants, and some of you know that I'm already in the process of making a virtual assistant mini course on how I've kind of scaled from one niche blog up to, like, I'm up 27 niche blogs now. So I mean, it's literally 27 times the traffic of one blog. So it's awesome. So the other cool part about that is I'm developing digital assets. It's like owning property. The value is only going to increase the longer you're working with it and building it. So that's what I love about this. You don't get that with anything else. Like if you're doing a email campaign and you're building an email list, that's awesome, but like you have to continually do that as well. And if you mess it up at any point or you stop doing it, people kind of unsubscribe, they fall off. Your domains continually build no matter what. And that's kind of the awesome thing about it. So getting back into this now, let's just say we're doing our first keyword, and that's zombies. Okay, so your article about zombies would go here, and at the bottom of the page you are going to link to the next, let's get rid of this, you're going to link to the next keyword, which is zombies Disney. And again, this is just for the sake of this demonstration. Do some more research first before you decide on your exact keywords, okay? Let's go back here. So link to zombies Disney here / and I always add a geotag too, and it really depends. Like some of my websites are very niche specific, like some are like tailored directly for Las Vegas, so I want people in Las Vegas to find what I'm kind of doing, so I'll geotag it. So I'll put the link and then I'll put Las Vegas at the end, or I'll put like whatever area I'm geotagging to. Okay, so we're going to create all of these and we're going to publish that. We're going to publish all of these, okay? And then we're going to add another page. And this page is going to be called Zombies Disney. Article goes here. And then we're going to put the next keyword, which would be zombie TV shows. And I'll geotag it again. And we're going to publish that. I think you're kind of getting the hint where this is going. The next one is zombie TV shows. So we're going to go back here. Did this update? Okay. Zombie TV shows. Article. I can't spell. Article goes here. And then the next keyword is zombie shows. Geotag it again. We'll publish that. We're going to add a new page. And zombie channel. Article goes here. And this spot, again, just to reiterate, where it says article goes here, that's where you're putting your article that was written in iWriter, or if you wrote it yourself, the article about Zombie Channel. Okay, literally you will put Zombie Channel into iWriter and somebody will write about it. Okay, and you have options to like fill in what it's going to be about, blah, blah, blah. It's really, really straightforward. Okay. So article goes at the bottom. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to link, so we're just using these top 5, right? So we're going to link back to zombies. Geotag it. Okay. So now you'll get to kind of see how this works. So right here, we're going to highlight this. We're going to link it. We are going to actually, right there, so we typed it in, zombies, boom, apply. Actually, let's redo that. So we're going to just do it like this. Is it zombie or zombies? Zombies, okay. So zombies, Las Vegas. We're going to update that. And now watch this. We're going to click this. And you'll see exactly what it does. So it brings you to the next page now, and we're just going to do exactly the same thing throughout the entire thing. And what it's going to do is actually loop you around the entire thing. So all you have to do then is go to each of these, and you're going to do the exact same thing. Okay. So again, I'm going to do this. Zombie TV shows, apply. Update. That's it. And I'm running out of time for this because I only have 15 minutes to create this video. But yes, so when you're done with all that, update each one of those. And what is going to end up happening is you are going to create a loop. Okay. And the reason we do this is the beauty of silo structuring, is it actually allows these keywords link juice to flow from one article to the next article to the next article to the next to the next, in a never-ending cycle. So it's actually been proven that this works very, very well for ranking your website for particular keywords in Google. That's why we do this. This is very important. I've done this for all of my websites, and it's helped every single one of them rank very, very fast. I wish I had another couple minutes to show you how I can actually, like, how it will actually end, how it loops together, but I have 5 seconds left. So I'm going to end right there, guys. And if you have any questions about this, just let me know, okay? Thank you.